You felt something before this video started. A quiet pull. A moment that made you pause. That feeling was not random. It was a reminder meant for your heart. Right now, you might be tired. Not just physically, but deep inside. You wake up, you try, you push through the day, but something still feels heavy. You smile in front of people, yet inside there is a silence no one hears. You ask yourself questions you never say out loud. Why is life like this? Why is it so hard? If you believe in Allah, then listen carefully. That heaviness you feel is not punishment. It is not neglect. It is not abandonment. It is a sign that your heart is still alive, still connected, still searching for Him. Sometimes, life becomes quiet, so you can finally hear what matters. When everything around you slows down, when distractions fade, when people leave or change, it creates space. And in that space, your heart starts looking for something real. That something is Allah. Think about your hardest moments. The nights when sleep refused to come. The days when nothing felt right. In those moments, you did not turn to people first. Your heart whispered to Allah. Even if your lips stayed silent, your heart spoke. And Allah heard every word. You might feel like you are behind in life. Others seem ahead. Others seem happy. Others seem settled. But your journey is not theirs. Allah is writing your story with precision. Every delay has meaning. Every struggle has purpose. Every tear has value. There are things you asked for that did not happen. You wondered why. You felt disappointed. But what if Allah protected you from something you could not see? What if the door that stayed closed was saving you from pain you were not ready for? You only see today. Allah sees your entire life. If you believe in Allah, then trust this. You are not forgotten. Not for a second. Not for a moment. Even when you feel alone in a crowded room, Allah is closer to you than anyone around you. He knows your thoughts before you speak them. He understands your pain before you explain it. Sometimes, Allah tests the people He loves the most. Not to break them, but to build them. To strengthen their patience. To raise their level. To bring them closer to Him. What you are going through right now is shaping you into someone stronger, someone wiser, someone closer to your purpose. You might think you are weak, but you are still here. You are still trying. You are still breathing. That is strength. Real strength is waking up when your heart feels heavy and still choosing to move forward. Real strength is trusting Allah even when life makes no sense. Take a moment right now. Slow down your thoughts. Feel your heartbeat. That is a gift. Your life is still unfolding. Your story is not finished. Allah is still writing for you. What is coming could change everything. You do not need to have everything figured out. You just need to take one step. One sincere prayer. One moment of turning back to Allah. Speak to Him. Be honest. Tell Him what you feel. He already knows, but He loves to hear it from you. And believe this with certainty. Allah responds. In ways you expect, and in ways you never imagined. Sometimes the answer comes as peace in your heart. Sometimes it comes as a new opportunity. Sometimes it comes as strength you never knew you had. If you believe in Allah, then hold on. Even when it feels hard. Even when it feels slow. Even when it feels silent. Because behind that silence, something is being prepared for you. One day, you will look back at this moment. You will realize that what felt like confusion was actually guidance. What felt like delay was actually protection. What felt like pain was actually growth. You are not lost. You are being guided. You are not broken. You are being shaped. You are not alone. Allah is with you. If this message touched your heart, take a second. Like this video. Share it with someone who needs it. And subscribe for more reminders that bring you closer to Allah.